everybody, today some updates, and I've got a chicken wrap recipe to share, so stay tuned. Okay, we went to the doctor's office today. The surgeon had another look at Big Daddy's leg. Still very happy with it. It looks like at this point the skin graft is taking. Super happy. Big Daddy is laying up on the couch.
She makes me stay here. If I get up, she beats me.
It's doctor's orders. You women out there would do the same, right? Anyway, he is in good spirits. They actually asked him at the hospital if he was abused by me. We both had a good giggle out of that one. I did make some changes in here. I had done the wire rack and put the baskets in there, but I wasn't happy with all the different colors, so I recovered the baskets and the tablet, so everything's now gray and white. It goes along with everything else in here. So let's get busy with the chicken wrap. And that's it, simple as that. The recipe does call for canned chicken, and I will put the recipe in the link below, but at the store they had the fresh chicken that they had already cut up from the rotisseries that they make, and that looked quite appealing, so I did use that. And Big Daddy has his sandwich. You're all set. We wanted something on the lighter side tonight, so that's why we went with these. We thank you for joining us as always. You guys have a great day, and we'll be back soon with more videos. Bye-bye.